How to replace a discharge elbow pipe on a Lift-Assure macerating toilet. Start by removing both covers from the top of the Lift-Assure case. The small cover can be easily removed, but the bigger cover has one screw that needs to be removed. Once you remove the screw, the cover should come off to reveal the macerator pump. The macerator pump has 4 screws on each corner. Once you remove all screws, the pump will easily come out. Carefully lift the pump from the sides and the handle, and be careful not to pull any wires. Now let's remove the discharge elbow pipe. Start by removing the plastic ring on the inside of the elbow pipe. Then, remove the discharge T-pipe that was under the small cover. This pipe has 4 screws. Once you remove the T-pipe, you will be able to see the discharge elbow pipe. Before removing the elbow pipe, unscrew the black pipe that is inside the case. These screws are located on the top of the case. Then, push down the pipe from the top and pull it out the bottom. This will also make the black pipe come out. Then, insert the new discharge elbow pipe from the top. If this thin plastic came off while removing the pipe, slightly bend the plastic to curve it and put it in between the designated spaces. Then, insert the elbow pipe through the black pipe. Make sure the elbow pipe is all the way in. Once it's lined up, add the screws. And don't forget to insert the plastic ring into the elbow pipe. Then, gently put the macerator pump back in and screw in place. Then, put the T-pipe back, and add the screws. And lastly, add the covers to close your case. And don't forget the last screw on the big cover.